coconut. It's more than just a tropical fruit. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, a versatile ingredient, and a symbol of health and vitality in many cultures. For centuries, people have enjoyed coconuts for their refreshing water, creamy flesh, and nourishing oil. Today, science is catching up with tradition, revealing the impressive health benefits of this remarkable gift from nature. From the Pacific Islands to the shores of India, coconut has been a dietary staple for millennia. It can be used for anything from traditional medicine to cookery and beauty. In recent years, coconut has taken the Western world by storm. This surge in popularity is fueled by scientific studies highlighting its potential to improve digestion, boost energy, support heart health, and enhance skin and hair. Let's delve deeper into the science behind these claims. One of the most remarkable benefits of coconut lies in its ability to aid digestion. This tropical fruit is not only delicious, but also nutrient-rich, supporting the health of your digestive system. The fiber in coconut, particularly a type called resistant starch, acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotics are essential for maintaining a balanced gut microbiome. This means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy digestive system. A well-balanced gut microbiome is crucial for overall health and well-being. A happy gut translates to better nutrient absorption, reduced bloating, and improved regularity. When your digestive system is functioning optimally, you feel lighter and more energetic. Beyond digestion, coconut is an energy booster. Its unique composition makes it an excellent source of quick and sustained energy. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, a type of fat that your body quickly converts into energy. MCTs are metabolized differently compared to other fats. Unlike other fats that are stored, MCTs are readily used by your liver, providing a sustained energy release throughout the day. This means you can stay active and alert for longer periods. Say goodbye to those afternoon slumps. Incorporating coconut into your diet can help you maintain high energy levels and keep you feeling great all day long. Incorporating coconut into your daily life is easier than you think. From breakfast to dinner and even snacks in between, coconut can be a versatile and delicious addition to your meals. Start your day with a smoothie blended with coconut milk for a creamy, tropical twist. It's a refreshing way to kickstart your morning with a burst of flavor and nutrients. Sprinkle shredded coconut on your salads for a satisfying crunch and a boost of healthy fats. It adds a unique texture and enhances the overall taste of your greens. Use coconut oil for cooking and baking, enjoying its delicate flavor and high smoke point. It's perfect for sautéing vegetables, frying, or even baking your favorite treats. Looking for a quick and nutritious snack? Coconut-based snacks are a great option. Grab a handful of coconut chips for a crunchy, satisfying treat that's both healthy and delicious. Or enjoy a spoonful of coconut butter. It's rich, creamy, and can be spread on toast or added to smoothies. The possibilities are endless when it comes to enjoying the goodness of coconut. For centuries, traditional medicine systems have revered coconut for its healing properties. In Ayurveda, coconut is used to balance the digestive fire, promote hair growth, and soothe the skin. In Polynesian cultures, coconut is considered a cure-all, used to treat everything from infections to digestive issues. Modern research is now validating these age-old practices. Studies have shown that coconut oil, rich in lauric acid, possesses antimicrobial and antiviral properties. It can help fight harmful bacteria and viruses, boosting your immune system naturally. While coconut offers a plethora of health benefits, moderation is key. Coconut is relatively high in saturated fat. Although this type of fat is different from the harmful saturated fats found in processed foods, it's essential to consume it in moderation. If you have pre-existing health conditions, especially heart disease or high cholesterol, it's crucial to consult your doctor before significantly increasing your coconut intake. They can advise you on the appropriate amount based on your individual needs. Join the growing number of people experiencing the transformative power of coconut. From delicious dishes to refreshing drinks, coconuts are making a significant impact on our lives. Start by incorporating small amounts of coconut into your diet. Add coconut milk to your morning coffee or sprinkle coconut flakes on your breakfast cereal. Gradually increase your intake as your body adjusts. Use coconut oil for cooking or baking and try coconut yogurt as a healthy snack. Pay attention to how you feel and make adjustments accordingly. Notice the boost in energy and overall well-being. Remember, listening to your body is key to optimal health. Monitor your progress and celebrate the small victories. Share your coconut journey with others. Post your favorite recipes and tips online. Tell us about your favorite ways to enjoy coconut. Whether it's a savory dish or a sweet treat, we want to hear from you. Share the positive changes you experience. Notice improvements in your skin, hair, and overall health. Let's spread the word about this incredible gift from nature. Encourage your friends and family to join the coconut revolution. Inspire each other to live healthier, more vibrant lives. Together we can make a difference and embrace a healthier lifestyle with the power of coconut.